Welcome you all to this video. In this video we have to know about how to enable Auto SSL for a specific account in Web Host Manager. Introduction. Auto SSL is a feature in Web Host Manager, cPanel that automatically installs and renews free SSL certificates for hosted domains. It helps secure websites with HTTPS without requiring manual certificate purchase or renewal. This knowledge base explains the step-by-step procedure to enable and run Auto SSL for a specific cPanel account in Web Host Manager. Steps to enable Auto SSL for a specific account in Web Host Manager. Step 1. Verify Auto SSL provider is enabled. Log in to Web Host Manager as root. Navigate to Web Host Manager, right-pointing arrow, Manage Auto SSL. Under Auto SSL providers, ensure that Let's Encrypt is enabled or disabled. If it is not enabled, kindly enable it. Accept the terms, if not already accepted. Click Save. Step 2. Enable Auto SSL for a specific account. In Web Host Manager, go to Manage Auto SSL. Scroll down to the Manage Users section. Locate the specific cPanel username. Ensure the checkbox Enable Auto SSL is enabled for that user. Step 3. Run Auto SSL for the specific account. You can trigger Auto SSL immediately. Click Run Auto SSL next to the selected user. Step 4. Verify SSL installation. After the process completes. Conclusion. Enabling Auto SSL for a specific account in Web Host Manager ensures the domain is secured with a trusted SSL certificate without manual intervention. By verifying DNS settings and running Auto SSL from Web Host Manager, administrators can quickly secure websites and maintain automatic renewals. If Auto SSL fails, review the error logs in Manage Auto SSL, right-pointing arrow logs for detailed troubleshooting information. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching this video. This video helps you to understand how to enable Auto SSL for a specific account in Web Host Manager.